Okay, what I'm going to try here is I'm going to try and flush out my tranny lines on my truck. I think I've come up with a system, but I don't know if it'll work, but we're going to find out real quick here. Let's see. Okay. That's a cat bottle. And this is my charge station. So let's see if this thing will work. Okay, got it loaded. I got the air charged. Okay. Not bad. That's just grime off the inside of the tranny lines. I don't see no tranny fluid. Damn. I think I'll go pour it through a paint strainer and see what it looks like.